Hello, welcome back in, beautiful soul. If it's your first time, welcome in. Welcome to the journey of healing naturally, spiritually, mentally, physically, emotionally, financially, healing in every area of life. This video is focused on healing, on balancing your heart chakra. Now, we're going to heal with crystals today. Crystals! So, I'm going to name 3 or maybe 4, if I have enough time, crystals that we can use to balance our heart chakra. Yeah, that's my little one over there, up to some kind of mischief. But anyway, the heart chakra time. Let's get into it, and thank yourself for being here on this journey of natural healing, where we learn and we explore together. We're the scientists of our life. Yes, we are. Oops, I was wrong. My young one was not making mischief. He was just grabbing a snack. How wrong I was. You know, as a parent, it's important to acknowledge when you're wrong and say sorry to your young ones. Now, let's get into our crystals. I just had to let you know that. First on the list is rose quartz. Now, rose quartz is a soft, feminine type of stone. It's beautiful to look at. You can wear it in the form of jewelry, or you could just have a piece of it with you. Now, this stone, what it does, it opens up the channel of unconditional love. Love for yourself, which I mentioned before. That's where true love, real love begins. Self-love. Now, if you haven't done this for the day, give yourself a big hug. Kiss yourself. Say girl. Say boy, say man, say woman, lady, whatever you address yourself as. King, queen. Say, I love you. Say your name. I'm going to say mine. Charlene, I love you. I think you're a fantabulous. Use whatever words make you feel good about you. Don't care what anyone else think about you. Just love you the way you are. Whether you're weird, whatever flaws you have, it's okay. We're all working on something. So accept yourself. This stone helps you to accept yourself and to love yourself unconditionally. It also helps you to channel that energy of unconditional love for others, for the universe, for the planet. It will also help you to open up the circulations in your heart, meaning keeping your physical heart healthy. This stone also helps you to attract love. So if you're single and you're looking for that right kind of love, this might be the stone you want to work with. Now, the way to do this, I'll explain at the end of this, so sit tight with me. Let me get through all the stones and I'll tell you how to use each of these stones. All right? So, I hope you love this stone. I personally do. It just feels so beautiful to me, and so, I guess soft is the word. Now, for me personally, I feel more energy from the raw stone. Maybe that's all in my mind, because I always feel like the raw stone is more untouched by other humans or other energies. So I'm getting a more purer, potent energy. So, you experiment and see. What works for me might not work for you, and vice versa. So experiment, try out these stones, and see how it goes for you. And I would love for you to come back and share with the community. Next on the list is green Aventurine. This is known as the stone of optimism, prosperity, and opportunities. Yes, it's also on the list of abundant stones. So if you're into abundance and prosperity and business wealth and opportunity, this is a stone that you might want to look into, see how it works for you. In addition to this stone helps you to accept yourself, self-acceptance. It also opens up the channel in your heart to accept others for who they are and just allow them to be, which I love because, listen, in this world, we have to live and let others live. It's not just about us. We have to be accommodating. Everyone is not the same, and that's okay. Variety is the spice of life, like my mother said. Now, this stone is also good on the physical side for heart conditions. It helps to appease high blood pressure. Let me say that again and say it correctly. It helps to appease high blood pressure and other heart conditions. However, please check with your doctor before trying anything outside of what they recommend. This is just all ancient, natural ways of healing, but make sure you do the smart thing. Check with your doctor. See how it works for you. As far as I know, there's no harm in using these stones. They're all natural and of the earth. But I must say these things to make sure that we're all being cautious and being wise. This stone, when I say prosperity, I don't just mean material prosperity. It means also prosperity in health, abundance of good health. So if you like the stone the way it looks, you might want to give it a try. And again, for this particular stone, I find myself balanced between the two, the natural and the polished stones. I kind of feel the same amount of energy from them. So, you do your research, do your experiment, and see which one works best for you. There's so much more to this stone, but the last thing I'm going to list is that it's good for your metabolism. So if you're struggling with maybe weight gain or up and down on the weight scale, this might be a stone you might want to play with a little bit and see how it works for you. And like always, come back to the community, share, and let us know how your process is going. Next, we have jade, beautiful jade. This is such a beautiful, precious stone. Our Chinese brothers and sisters consider this stone precious. They consider this the stone of heaven. This stone is so valued in our Chinese culture that there's a saying that gold is precious, but jade is priceless. Did you hear what I said? Priceless. Now let's get into the healing properties of this beautiful stone. Jade brings a sense of calmness to you, which is good for your heart. It brings joyfulness, also good for your heart, and love. It brings in the energy of good luck, which is very good for us. It releases negative thoughts and negative vibrations. So if you're struggling with negative thoughts, negative feelings and thinkings and emotions, this stone may be the one for you. Now, jade also helps on the physical side. It helps with blood circulation and is great for anxiety. So if you want to keep calm, relax, and just feeling a vibration of beautiful flow, jade might be the stone for you. This stone also brings in a sense of peace and abundance, prosperity, wealth, and all that goes into the category of good luck and good fortune. So if you find yourself drawn to this stone, give it a try. And as always, come back and let us know how it's working for you. Okay, so this video is already longer than I intended. However, as a bonus, I'm going to list peridot. Peridot stone is very good for easing anger and jealousy. And there's so much more to this stone. However, be your own researcher. Go and research this beautiful stone and see how you resonate with its energy. That's it. Now let's get into how can we use these stones to balance ourselves. First off, you have to cleanse and charge your stones. Make sure it's tuned into your energy. As you receive your stone, get excited. Thank it for being with you. Speak to your stone. Listen, every living creature or being on this planet has some level of consciousness. So respect that. Now, you can charge your stone using the sun. First off, I suggest that you cleanse it with water. All these stones that I've listed can be cleansed with water, so you might want to either submerge it in water or just rinse it off with water. If you have natural water, like waters from a lake or the sea, that's even better, or spring water. And you can then put it into the sun for a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours, but I like to do about 24 hours, but do what works best for you. After cleansing it, you tune into your stone, you hold it, you feel it, you touch it, and keep it on your left side, left pocket, because that's usually your receiving side. But like I said, we're all different. Test it out. See how you feel on the right versus left. In addition to having the natural stone, you could also wear it in the form of jewelry. Necklace, earrings, rings, whatever form of jewelry you like, you can use it that way. Now, when you're using the natural stone, not only can you carry it, you can also lay down, take some deep breaths, and lay it on your heart chakra. Connect with that stone. Remember, it's not just the power within the stone, it's the power within you that activates the stone. It's the power within you that connects the energies of the stone with the energies of the universe. And it's the intention, most of all. When you're doing it, be very direct with your intentions. Be clear. And go ahead, use your stone. Enjoy. If nothing else, just enjoy the beauty. Just looking at these stones can bring such joy. Now, if that's been helpful, please share with someone that could benefit from this. Like, share, and subscribe if you feel my vibe. If you're already part of the tribe, thank you for being here. Let's continue this healing journey. Love, peace, and abundant blessings. One more thing. If you're not sure where to purchase gemstones from that are responsibly sourced, check my description section. I may have a link there for you. Always check my description section. I'm always adding bonuses for you to, help us all grow and heal together. Be blessed.